It's a lighthouse ball for steering ships. In there, two guys there. The short one is the museum's owner, and the tall guy is the artist. You will see his workshop upstairs.
De câte ori vrei, dar trebuie să nimerești aici și chestia asta să împingă. Și după asta o trage bine ca să se facă.
Arrived at the fantasy part also. Like your friends, feel free to explore, to take pictures, to ask questions. So if you're curious enough, almost everything here has a story. But let's do that if you would like to drink something from books. These are all stories from children. And I know artists that we collaborate with from the Netherlands, from the South, but all of them are supposed to see them 3 meters long. Aici este șamanul nostru Dracula și are puteri magice. Spus, dacă ne uităm în ochii lui, ea să ne îndeplinească câte o dorință. That's a shaman Dracula, and he has magical power. So if you look into his eyes, he will grant you a wish. If you tell him your wish, tell him that. Then you will grant it. You can try the cherry if you like. Anyone?
Momentan că spun sincer, n-am apucat să vorbesc cu ea.
Cherry if you like. So is he rocking the chair?
Cea pe care scrie duplex mai multe, dar e cea cu roșu. Era inovație la momentul respectiv pentru că mergea în ambele sensuri și era ca un fel de primul mixer. 2 în 1. So over here we have a surprise. What could it be? Yeah? Could it be a secret room? We need to find the shelf with 2 candles on it. Okay? The shelf. Okay, you are very fast, very quick. Yes. So the second to last book, it's a black book. Yeah. You need to push it on the lower side. Just push it on the lower side. And indeed, it is a secret room. How did you know? Okay, let it go and enjoy it. How do you think? We're going in? Yes. Come on! Come on! Let's go!
Săptămâna asta am intrat cu câte 40 de minute. You need to activate your imagination.
Fine, okay. Welcome, come on, join it. It's a view from behind, so if you want to go behind. Okay, perfect. Done? Exactly. So here we play with time. We have a collection of cuckoo clocks that indicate the perfect time for time traveling, and I decided it is now. Okay? We need a captain. Oh, captain, my captain. Who's the captain? Yes. Yes, please.
I found the route.
Teamwork. But we can all travel. We are, you know, the crew. You are our captain. Sit. Easy does it. Perfection. You will have goggles. We have goggles. Okay. It's a kaleidoscope of colors inside. You can put them on your forehead at first. Because you need to push your buttons, you know? Push the buttons. Forehead, forehead. There you go. So it's fine. So Tuscany. I told you it's the perfect time. This is your year, okay? From year 0 to year 9,000. Let me just. I don't want to send you to China. Tuscany, perfect. So you can set your year because this works on imagination, not on gas. It's not electric, just imagination, okay? You can go to Tuscany year, you know, 6,000 or year 500 or 200. You set the year, okay? All right. Here you have 3 buttons, okay? You will push them like this, okay? Button 1, 2, 3, and then button 4 goes to your right. Okay, button 4 goes to your right, and then goggles on. After the 4th one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Goggles on. Is everyone ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Have fun. Don't bring anything back. All is good. And all is nice.
Stars travel in time. This is the journey into the destination of your choice. The time machine is ready to take off. Are you ready? This is a world you have imagined. You are now in a different place where everything goes on as it was.
This was fast.
All the little clocks.
He's almost 2 meters. He's very tall.
Wow.
It's him, and this is the director, the one who dreamt of opening this museum.
How long has it been?
2 years and 4 months.
Big Halloween?
Halloween și până la Revelion în fiecare lună avem Steam Building. Nu știu ce se zice la aici. Și aici câteva lui, îl vedem aici.
Da,
Questi sono riuscito da acesta are un mecanism mai complex. Adică pe lângă fiecare ușor, de fapt aici își ține alchimistul toate locurile și porțiunile periculoase și nu poate să rămână în cap. Nu neapărat. Sunt și